In this video, we will do 3 numericals which will help us to know that we have studied correctly or not. Okay, and the first numerical is the odometer of a car reads 2000 km at the start of a trip and 2400 km at the end of the trip, and it took 8 hours. Calculate the average velocity of a car in kilometer per hour and meter per second. Now, whenever we start our numericals, just draw the diagram. This is our starting point and this is our end point. The odometer reads here 2000 km. Here it reads 2400 km and it takes 8 hours. He covers a distance from starting to end point in 8 hours. Now question is, calculate average velocity. So what is average velocity? It is total distance or total displacement, because it is a velocity, so it is total displacement divided by total time. So average velocity is, what is the total displacement? Total displacement. Here total displacement is starting 2000, end point 2400. So it is 2400 minus 2000. It is equal to 400 km. And what is total time? So that is equal to 8 hours. So the average velocity is equal to total distance, that is 400, divided by total time, that is 8 hours. So it becomes 50 km per hour. Now average velocity in meter per second. So that is, average velocity is 50 km. I have changed into meter, and divided by hour I changed it into the seconds. That is 3600. After solving, 2 zeros get cancelled out with this much. I cut with 2 this one, 2 this one, and then again 2. You get 125 divided by 9 meter per second. Change into the fractions, it is 13.88 meter per second. So this is your average velocity in kilometer per hour and average velocity in meter per second. Now the second numerical. Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average velocity for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is a less traffic and average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed of the Abdul's trip? Now, to solve it, first let us draw the diagram. This is my A point, starting journey from A to B. Here, while moving from A to B, its average velocity is 20 km per hour, and while returning journey from B to A, its speed is 30 km per hour. Now I want to find out the average speed. So average speed is, again, it is total distance divided by total time. Now see here, what is the total distance here? It is not given. What is total time? That is also not given. So what I do here is, I suppose the distance from A to B is x. So what is the total distance? Total distance will be 2x. And total time. What will be the total time? Total time will be time from A to B plus time from B to A. Now we calculate time A to B. So time A also, the time from A to B is x divided by 20. Time is x divided by velocity. So this time is from A to B, A to B. Distance is A to B is x and velocity A to B is 20. From B to A return journey, distance is again x and time is, velocity is 30 km per hour. That is this much. I am not writing here kilometer per hour. Now the total time will be equal to how much? The total time will be x plus 20 plus x divided by 30. Solving it a little bit. So what do you get? 20 divided by multiply by 30, 30x plus 20x. So it becomes 50x divided by 20 multiplied by 30. 5, 4. So it is x divided by 12. So this is your total time in hours. Now what is the Now the third numerical. Starting from stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meters per second in 30 seconds. Then he applies a brake such that the velocity of a bicycle comes down to 4 meters per second in next 5 seconds. Calculate the bicycle's acceleration in both cases. So in this we are going to we have to find out the acceleration. First let us see let us draw the diagram. So see here, Rahul from here, it is at rest position. So its initial velocity is 0. It speeds up. उसने अपनी स्पीड बढ़ाई. He increases its speeds and reaches to here 6 meters per second. At this point, after how much time? In 30 seconds. So here it is 30 seconds. Then he slows down. He applies the brake from here onward, and after 5 seconds, its velocity comes out to be 4 meters per second. The question is, find out the acceleration in this region also. इस केस में भी एक्सेलेरेशन निकालना है और इस केस में भी एक्सेलेरेशन कितना है वो निकालना है. तो first of all, what is an acceleration? We know that the acceleration is change in the velocity divided by time taken. This you remember, it is change in the velocity. So first I take this point as A, B and C. So first I will calculate the acceleration for A, B. So AB, that is change in velocity. So what is the change? First I will write here change in velocity divided by time. So what is the change over here? Change, whenever we calculate the change is always final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. So what is initial velocity over here? Or what is first AB region? AB region, what is initial velocity? This, that is equal to 0. Initial velocity is 0. Then what is final velocity here? For B point, final velocity is 6. So 6 minus this much divided by time. What is time from A to B? That is 30. That is 30. So 6 divided by 30 and it is comes out to be 1/5 meter per second square. So this is your acceleration. If you want to write in the points, it is 0.2 meter per second square. So this is your acceleration for AB. Now what is an acceleration for B to C? So it is change in velocity divided by time taken. So here which region? BC region. So this region is BC. इस रीजन में हमने निकालना है. तो इस रीजन में चेंज इन वेलोसिटी क्या है? चेंज क्या होता है? फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी डिवाइड बाय टाइम. सो व्हाट इज फाइनल वेलोसिटी? फाइनल वेलोसिटी मींस फाइनल पॉइंट. फाइनल पॉइंट इज 4. व्हाट इज इनिशियल पॉइंट? इस रीजन में इनिशियल क्या है? ये है. इनिशियल इज 6 माइनस 6 डिवाइड बाय टाइम. तो बी और सी में टाइम कितना है? 5 सेकेंड. तो 5. So it is -2 divided by 5. That is coming out to be minus. So I write here in the downward. So it comes out to be minus 0.4 meter per second square. So this is your acceleration for BC.